Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're working in Lutz, Florida. We're here for a dirty pool cage and a pool deck cleaning. This customer actually found me on YouTube, was watching the video, and noticed I was in his area, so he gave me a call to come out and take care of it. Don't forget, I got the giveaway link in the description. When I hit 8K, somebody's gonna get a pair of Hut boots, a pressure washing gun, or a Pink Flamingo t-shirt, man. So I appreciate all y'all support. Yeah, you guys see I got my flamingo today. Happy Halloween, you know what I'm saying? Hope y'all enjoying y'all time with y'all family, y'all kids, man. That's what it's all about. So I'm gonna go show you guys what the job is looking like. All right, so we got the cage out here. There's a lot of algae on it. As you guys see, there's a lot of plants around, so we're gonna have to water these down. You see that tent on there? Look at that. Really bad lichen on here. I mean, it's coming through the cage. Look at that. It's really bad, man, on both sides. Nice property here on the water. Cool day out here in Florida. Early, about 8:22. So this is the other side of the cage. How bad it is right here. And this is the pool deck. Like they got they're building something over here. It's empty now, but pretty sure it's gonna look nice when it's done. The inside is not as bad. I'm gonna try and see if I can get those leaves off for him. But the sides are definitely bad. All right, so like I said, we're gonna water the plants down first. Get everything nice and drenched early in the morning before we start spraying any kind of solution. All right, let's go. Real bad algae. We'll see if downstream take care of this. This is pretty bad. Sometimes that lichen needs a little stronger mix to come off. I'm not gonna be able to do the inside of the screen on this side, obviously, because I can't fit through there. So on this side, it'll just be the outside getting done. You guys go to the description, man. I think we're a little bit over 7,800 subscribers, so we're climbing up, man. Almost at 8K. I've been keeping up with the giveaway, looking at who's putting in those spawns, man. Who's entering. A couple of y'all up there, boy. I seen somebody had like 30 entries. A couple people got 20-something entries. It's pretty cool. Good luck to everybody. inside, the outside and the inside of the cage, as well as the pool deck. I'm gonna give it a little bit more dwell time. Normally I go outside and start rinsing now, but I'm gonna give it a little dwell time because it was pretty bad, a lot of lichen. So in the meantime, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wet down the fence again while that's going on. So let's do that. Me and my flamingo getting it in, baby. All right, we're back at the top. I don't think this stuff's gonna come off like that, but we'll see. If not, we'll just come back and hit it with a stronger mix. Alright guys, looks like it's coming out pretty well to me. It took a little more rinsing than usual because of the lichen, but you guys can see it looks way better. I'm going to continue working down. All right, let's do a quick recap how everything looks. We're all done here. So this is the outside of the cage. Everything is nice and clean. I was surprised downstreaming took that off. That was pretty thick on there. I'm using that Super Sucker downstream injector. This side was pretty bad. I washed the umbrella for him because he had a lot of lichen on it. So that's cleaned up. I did that white chair in there too. So this is the deck. Looking good. So everything's cleaned up. I'm all packed up, ready to go for the second job. See y'all when I get there. All right, you guys, we're at the second job, which is right here in Lutz Steel in the Cheval neighborhood. This is a returning customer. I have her on a recurring maintenance contract. I think I come here every 2 months, maybe every 2.5 months. And I just flush out her gutters, make sure everything's flowing nicely. She normally don't have anything in there. It's pretty much only sediment because she doesn't have a lot of trees. You know what I'm saying? There's not a lot of trees. So let's go up there and check it out. All right, we're up top right now. Like I said, her gutters are pretty much empty most of the time. There's nothing in there except for like sediment from the roof and granules and stuff like that. See? Pretty easy, man. Sometimes you have a little bit of leaves from this tree right here, but for the most part there's no trees that's over the property itself. So we're just gonna use the ball valve, just give it a good rinse. If you're a supporter of the channel, when I fell in that pool, that was that pool right there across. This is her sister's house over there. Me and EJ did that pool deck, the pool cage, and also the driveway. Nice to have your sister right across the pond, right? Isn't that nice? Let's see. It's not much back here on this one here. Just a little bit. But like I said, there's no trees, man. The trees are on this side only. I'll tell you what, boy. That roof definitely needs to be cleaned. This will come out good too. I'm gonna leave him a card. This is pretty black. A lot of streak, a lot of algae. We all done, guys. Let's go check it out. Let's start up here. They weren't that bad anyway. Nice and flushed. What I'm talking about, man. I didn't use the blower today because the customer likes to have them flushed. So I could have just used the blower for that stuff, honestly, man. And the only thing that would have been different is just time, you know what I'm saying? It'd have been faster with the blower. I wouldn't have to pull out the hose, you know, hook up the water and all that. I could have just pulled up with a blower and got it done, but you know, customer request that she wants them to be flushed, so that's what we do. But yeah, man, everything's nice and clean. She actually got I guess from a neighbor in the front of the neighborhood. This is an upscale neighborhood. If you guys know Cheval in Tampa, big money over here. But anyway, she has an older neighbor in the front of the neighborhood that needs their driveway done. She's paying for it, you know what I'm saying, as a courtesy. I guess they're kind of like, you know what I'm saying, like a family friend. So I'm gonna pack it up. I think she said that he needs his driveway and sidewalk done, or walkway done. So I'm gonna pack it up and see you guys when I get over there. All right, let's go. All right, y'all, we at this next stop, which is right in the same neighborhood. We're gonna be doing this little small driveway here, the walkway and the sidewalks. Nice, straightforward. You see it's pretty dirty, got some algae on it, but the sidewalks are pretty clean. Up here got some algae on it, as well as the walkway. Nothing we can't handle, man. We're gonna downstream the SH to loosen up the algae, then we're gonna surface clean it. All right, let's get it. We all wrapped up here. Everything is cleaned up, man. I had a great day. I had a fun day. Me and my flamingo. And shout out to Mr. Fleming this morning, man. He had that big flamingo that was about tall as me. He got it from his mother-in-law got it for him from Las Vegas. So it was just in time, man, just for us to take a picture with it. Yeah, man, y'all make sure y'all go to the description. I got the giveaway. And you know what I'm saying, you can win a pair of Hut boots, a t-shirt, or a pressure washing gun, man. Anybody can win, you know what I'm saying? You don't have to be a pressure washing business. If you win it, you know what I'm saying, somebody that you know can be, you know what I'm saying, of use for it, pass it on to them, man. So let's go check out this job. The driveway is cleaned up. You got a lot of shade over here. It's probably hard to see, but you guys know how bad it was earlier when I got here, man. I didn't have to post treat or nothing. It wasn't that much of an algae problem over here. But yeah, man, everything's done up here. The walkway's cleaned up. Everything nice and clean, man. You guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And you know what I'm saying, help me get to that 8,000 subscriber mark, man. I appreciate it if y'all do that. All right, see y'all on the next one. Peace.